Okay, let's just get this out of the way right now. I'm going to tell you a hard truth. Saving money by itself is never going to make you rich. Look, it's a great habit. We all need it, but trust me, it is not enough. Not even close. So let's break down exactly why that is.
So you're doing what you're supposed to do, right? You're saving money from every paycheck, you feel responsible, you feel like you're on the right track. But have you ever, taken a step back and really asked yourself, am I actually getting any richer? Is this actually working?
Well, that feeling, that's what we call the saver's dilemma. It's this super frustrating spot to be in, where you're doing everything right, you have this great habit, but the results, they're just not showing up. I mean, really think about it. You've been at this for 10, 15, maybe even 20 years, just consistently saving. But true wealth, that feeling of financial freedom, it still feels like it's way off in the distance, doesn't it? It's like it's always on the horizon, but you never actually get there. It can be so discouraging.
So why is this happening? Why does it feel like you're running in place? Well, the reason is because there are these invisible forces that are actively working against your savings. Let's go ahead and pull back the curtain on these silent killers of wealth.
Okay, so enemy number one, and this one is relentless, is inflation. Put simply, it just means that every single year, the money you've so carefully saved, well, it buys less and less stuff. It's kind of like having a slow leak in a tire. You might not notice it day to day, but over time, you're going to end up flat.
And this right here, this is where the real story is. You look at your bank statement and see you earned 4% interest, and you think, hey, that's pretty good. But what you're not seeing is that the cost of everything, groceries, gas, rent, went up by 6%. So you didn't win. You actually went backward.
Yeah, let that sink in. Your real return, what your money can actually do, is negative. So despite all that hard work of saving, your power to buy things has gone down. You are literally losing money, in real terms, every single year that cash is just sitting in a savings account.
And that brings us to the second silent killer, the hidden cost of playing it safe. Because it's not just about the value your money is losing to inflation, it's also about the growth it could be getting somewhere else. And that, my friends, is called opportunity cost.
Okay, let's make this super simple. Imagine you have $10,000. You put it in the bank, maybe you get $400 in interest. Not bad. But what if you had invested that same $10,000? Well, it could have earned $1,000. That extra $600, that's the price you paid for safety. That's the opportunity you just missed out on.
Okay, so if just saving isn't the answer, then what is? It's time to shift gears and talk about the real engine that builds wealth. And that's about changing your mindset from just saving money to actively investing it.
And the secret sauce of investing, the thing that makes it so incredibly powerful, is compounding. Seriously, some people have called this the eighth wonder of the world. It's the magic that happens when your money starts earning money, and then the money it earns starts earning its own money. It's a true snowball effect for your wealth.
It's actually a pretty simple process when you break it down. Step 1, your money earns returns. Step 2, you don't touch those returns, you just leave them in there. And step 3, that bigger pile of money now starts earning even bigger returns. It's this beautiful cycle of growth that just gets faster and faster over time, all without you having to lift another finger.
So where does all this growth happen? It happens when you own assets. See, cash in a bank account, it's just sitting there. But assets, things like stocks, real estate, maybe a piece of a business, these things have the potential to actually grow in value. They can become worth more tomorrow than they are today. They are the vehicles that drive your wealth forward. And you know what? Here's another piece to the puzzle. Getting rich isn't just about growing one big pot of money, it's also about building multiple streams of income. Your salary is fantastic, it's your starting point, but it shouldn't be your only source. Real financial freedom comes when you have money coming in from different places. Passive income from investments, maybe a side hustle, that's the real game changer.
All right, I want to make this as clear as possible. So let's look at a powerful comparison. We're going to follow two people for 20 years. They both start with the exact same amount of money, but they choose two completely different paths. Two paths, two very different destinies.
Just look at these numbers. Person A is our saver, puts away $200 a month every month. After 20 years, they've got about $70,000. Hey, that's not bad, right? It's respectable. But now look at person B, the investor. They use the exact same $200 a month, and they have over $200,000. That difference, that's not just a little bit more money, that's life-changing. And I gotta say it again, they started with the exact same money. The only difference, the one thing that explains that massive gap between them, wasn't how much they earned, it was their mindset.
So if you remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this simple idea. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. One is defense, the other is offense. You need both to win the game.
So I'm going to leave you with this question to think about. Is your goal just to save money, just to protect it? Or is it time to change your focus? Is it time to start making your money multiply? And if you're ready to find out exactly how that multiplication happens, then you are not going to want to miss our next explainer. We are diving deep into the power of compounding, the real formula for building serious wealth. So make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss it.